All right, so if your team is still sharing files, slides, and ideas across different tools, yeah, that can get messy fast. In this video, I'll show you how to use Gamma AI to collaborate and share content smoothly in one place. First, quick idea, Gamma lets you create documents, presentations, and pages, and share them instantly with your team. Start by creating a new project or document. You can generate content using AI or start from scratch. Next, invite your team. Just click share and add their email. They can access everything instantly. Now comes the best part, real-time collaboration. Your team can edit, comment, and work together on the same file. You can use Gamma's AI to generate content, summarize ideas, or improve writing. Keep everything organized. Use sections, pages, and layouts to structure your work. You can share your project with a simple link, no downloads needed. Set permissions like view, comment, or edit, depending on your team needs. Use Gamma for presentations, reports, planning, or team updates, everything in one place. So yeah, once you start using Gamma like this, team collaboration becomes way simpler and faster. And uh, if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, more AI productivity guides coming soon.